Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best incense burners that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Spacekeeper Waterfall Incense Burner. Many reviewers find the experience of watching this cool incense burner both peaceful and fascinating. This creative-looking, handcrafted incense burner is waterfall-shaped, making it a beautiful piece of art to add to your meditation space, bedroom, or give as a gift to a family member or friend. This waterfall incense burner is made to improve sleep quality and promote relaxation while you read, do yoga, cook, or whatever else you enjoy doing. This backflow incense burner allows you to insert the cones into the stick holder or backflow incense cone insertions. This incense burner even comes with 120 cones and 30 sticks that burn for 15 minutes apiece, allowing you to experience lots of positive vibes throughout the day. Moving on, at number 4 we have the T-Mink Lotus Stick Incense Burner. The lotus flower symbolizes being able to bloom during a time of suffering, since these resilient little flowers can grow in mud. Not only does this incense burner hold deep meaning, it also includes an attractive, durable brass holder that several reviewers describe as being beautiful. This incense burner is also very versatile, since it can hold a variety of Japanese, Indian, and hem incense. This traditional-looking burner can be divided for easy washing. With a 4-inch wide ash catcher on the Lotus, it'll also keep your counter clean while it's burning on high heat. At number 3, we have the Kingsglen Waterfall Incense Burner. With a smoke effect that drips into the pool of this incense burner like a waterfall in the jungle, it's a perfect pick for those seeking to calm the mind. Many reviewers describe this incense waterfall burner as being very tranquil and tend to give it as a gift to loved ones. It is great for your family members or friends who enjoy mindful activities, such as yoga and meditation. In addition, this incense burner is 100% handmade and even comes with 50 incense cones and 30 sticks that have a long-lasting burning time. Place it on any table in the house to enjoy its appealing aroma. At number 2, we have the Full Culture Wooden Incense Burner. This wooden incense holder can light 2 standard incense sticks together for an even stronger smell, such as combining honey and lavender. It can also be used as a potpourri dish to hold your favorite little flower petals for an appealing fragrance. Many reviewers say this incense burner is beautiful, with its rustic brown border and different pretty designs, such as galaxy or yin-yang with mountains, the sun, and moon. This 12-inch long incense burner catches all of the falling ash, so you can keep your place clean as you calm your body and mind. It is also made with a sturdy rubber grip to hold still on your countertop. Give this incense burner as a thoughtful gift, or place it in your own home. And finally, at number 1, we have the LamDawn Ceramic Incense Burner. This ceramic incense burner is described as lovely, pretty, and beautiful by many reviewers. With its round bed, this incense burner can hold incense sticks, cones, and frankincense for a variety of incense burning types. With such a small and elegant design, you can easily move and place this incense burner in your bedroom to help you sleep, the office to stay calm, or the bathroom to relax in the tub. The smoke is also attractive to watch as it wafts out of this ceramic burner. Best of all, its metal cover and overall construction makes this incense burner extra resilient, so it ought to last you a long time. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.